So hello everyone, I am Wesley Busta from BIS IT4A, and in this activity, I created a simple relational database using a database management system or the DBMS using Microsoft Access. So a relational database is organized data into tables that are linked together through relationships. Each table stores specific information and uses case to connect related data. And for example, the activity that we do here is consists of three tables. The first one is customer, products, and orders. Here in our customer, it consists the customer information such as customer names and email and also address. The second one would be the product, consists the product name and the prices. Third one is the third one is the order, the customer ID, product ID, and the time that they ordered the product. So, so I have a relationship when it comes to the third, when it comes to our three tables. So the customer ID and the product ID serves as our foreign key in the order table, linking the customer and product data together. This design helps us to maintain data integrity, avoid duplication, and make data retrieval more efficient. So after setting up our database, it is important to understand that the key differences between relational database and NoSQL database. So relational database stores data in tables like like our activity, and with the rows, columns, and fixed that follow a fixed schema, meaning that the structure must be defined before storing data. In contrast, SQL database uses collection, documents, or key value pairs, allowing for a more flexible schema that can easily adapt to different types of data. And in terms of scalability, relational database usually scale vertically, which means adding more power to a single server. NoSQL database, on the other hand, scale horizontally by adding more server to handle larger amounts of data. So the relational database typically uses SQL, which is the structured query language for querying, while NoSQL database use other method such as JSON or IPI based commands. So in our conclusion, relational databases are best suited for systems that are required structured, organized, and consistent data, while NoSQL databases are more suitable for application that deals with larger volumes of structured or rapidly changing data. So that's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.